SHAREit for Android lets you transfer all kinds of files to different platforms, and it does so with impressive speed. It is a file sharing application that allows you to send music, videos, images and much more to your friends and your other devices. One of the most appealing factors of SHAREit is that it can be used to transfer data quickly, and the process is 200 times faster than Bluetooth. The files arrive on the recipient's device without any loss of quality. You can choose from any media on your device, including installed apps, movies, and other files. Before continue, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. These help me to create more content, thanks. While you will be using SHAREit on your Android, the files can be transferred to your other devices or people using other smartphones. The number of different platforms that this application can send to makes it stand out from the competition, especially since it can be used on iOS. Transfers work Android to iPhone, as well as to other smartphones, tablets, and computers, including those running Windows XP, 7, 8, and 10. Sharing works between SHAREit-enabled devices. The wireless transfer uses your Wi-Fi network to communicate between the sending device and the receiving one, which means no data is used to send the files. As long as you are on the same network, you can transfer to another device, so you don't need to worry about close proximity as with Bluetooth. Once it has been installed, you can click Send, you will have an option to choose your file, and then choose a receiving device. SHAREit needs to be installed on both devices. Once it is set up on the receiving device, click Receive for the transfer to complete. It is a straightforward process that can be completed in a matter of seconds. The actual transfer is quick too. Speeds can reach up to 20 Mbps per second. SHAREit can handle the transfer of multiple files, although you do have to reopen the app to start a new transfer. You don't need cloud storage to move your data, so there is no subscription, and the process is free of charge. Since SHAREit uses Wi-Fi Direct, there isn't a limit on the size of files you can share. Big or small, your movies and large apps can be transferred in seconds. The app has a built-in music and video player for your content or songs and videos that you discover within the app. It supports the majority of file formats, including MP3 and MP4. Another neat function is the Share Zone. This can be used to place some files to share with your friends. You can visit their share zones to pick up files from them too. SHAREit has also added an app with the function to duplicate and transfer all of your phone's information to another device. You can use Cloneit if you've got a new phone or need to change devices for whatever reason. The app has evolved to offer you more than ever before. Users can now discover videos, games, and GIFs through the SHAREit feed. There are curated playlists, wallpapers, and online and offline videos, which are frequently updated and can keep you entertained for hours. It is easy to browse and discover the trending content that you can stream on your device. A file sharing app is only as good as its connection, and SHAREit does demonstrate problems in this area. If the lack of instructions has made it difficult to get your head around the app, then you can find other options. SHAREit boasts over 1 billion users, and, given its multi-purpose utility and easy-to-use functions, it is understandable that this free application is growing in popularity. For your file sharing needs, as well as the ability to discover trending content, this is highly recommended. The latest update has introduced a sidebar that displays the apps that you have liked. There is also a new history sidebar that